Field is now in motion. And there they go. They're off and pacing. Laughter in the Rain on the far outside. Sam Cernite and Shannon Post time. Here's Chip and Mindale and Tyler's Big Mark rolling out of the second tier from fifth. Moving midway on the turn, Thong Watcher after that, Chargin' Chuck and Wiley Deer. And they are flat out flying here in the first eighth of a mile. Chip and Mindale, Shannon Post time out of the second tier. Tyler's Big Mark. Laughter in the Rain getting a Paul Anka journey right now. In fact, the earplugs are already out. Flying by the quarter in 27-2. Racing past the stands, Chip and Mindale being sent and sent hard. Chip and Mindale on top by 2. Shannon Post time second. Laughter in the Rain looks for the 3-hole tuck, can't get it. Tyler's Big Mark is now saving ground for Sam Cernite, who tried to lead. Taken back into fifth. Thong Watcher is up on the outside. Chargin' Chuck and Wiley Deer, they're at the half-mile pole. Bouncing right along in a good 56-2. Chip and Mindale leads the way. Shannon Post time second. Laughter in the Rain on the outside third. Tyler's Big Mark being carried up on the outside. Sam Cernite, Thong Watcher, a little bit rough further back in the field. Chargin' Chuck on the outside and Wiley Deer. They're off the 5/8 heading to 3/4. Chip and Mindale lengthen 3/4. Followed by Laughter in the Rain. Tyler's Big Mark far outside. Racing by 3/4 in a fast 125-2. Chip and Mindale gets away on the front end. Tyler's Big Mark surging up on the outside second. Toward the rail, Shannon Post time third as the field straightens away. Chip and Mindale continues to lead by open lengths. Tyler's Big Mark is up on the outside. Chargin' Chuck on the far outside. This one's for you, Charlie Neff. Chip and Mindale. Tyler's Big Mark second. Laughter in the Rain will finish third. Result of race 5 is now official. Here comes Chip and Mindale, a 5-year-old brown gelding by Falcon Almahurst out of cheerful Mindale. Owned in Grove City by David Ehrenberg II, trained by Dick Neff, driven tonight wire to wire by Charlie Neff. Covering the mountain 155-2 in a lifetime best. Number 3, Chip and Mindale, the winner of tonight's 5th race. 310 exacta, $40 even, $40 even. $1 twin trifecta first half payoff, 104.60. Windows are now up and on race 6. No changes in the 6th, welcoming the Ohio Knights of Columbus. Post time will be at 9:19. Tapped on in race 5, Shannon Post time 7.